resin, doing the ground. So the black will come up first, so. Sorry. There's still black left in there if I wanted to. Come across and form a panel. That'll keep shifting, moving and changing.
Could you do a floor like that then, Steve?
Sorry?
Could you do a floor that method like that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Pull the tape on the back.
When you take something up against the wall, pull that tape off.
That I won't take, no, you stuck against the wall, the floor, or a splashback. I wouldn't have to take that. That's just because I have another team in edges.
Yeah.
Just flow up to
Well, that will continue to shift and move and change and sit, because I've got a lot of products on there.
Yeah.
Over the next hour, you'll see that this will pull forward and it'll form its own design. The colour choice wasn't the best there, it's a bit dark, I should have used a bit more gold. But literally, where could you get? It looks like something that's been quarried from Mars. And you've done nothing, literally all you've done is just let the resin do the work for you.
Yeah.
So if you did that on the floor, would it still move around? Because it's
Strange enough, because you're using such a lot of products, it'll close up.
Yeah.
It won't shift as much as this one, will, obviously. But because you've got to get. See how I was leaving gaps in between.
Yeah.
With the floor, you have to be absolutely spot on.
Quite big gaps, like.
Because you can't look back in it as well.
You can't.
No. If that fully close up, you can't go too far ahead of yourself, because you think, that's not going to close up. You're going to have to get a bit of product in there.
Yeah.
But that's where the sort of the art comes. You get just the right amount of distance so they close and nip. And